Welcome to Erica's English. Expand your vocabulary. Let's learn compound words with C. And then you can practice them in Quizlet after. We'll practice these words in Quizlet, and I will write some of them in the sand at the beach.
Sea, seawater. So the water that is at the sea is seawater. Do you know this word? It's sea and shore. Seashore. Shore is like another word for beach, and a beach near the sea is called seashore. Sea and front. Sea front is actually a way to describe like houses. Seafront houses are houses that are near the sea, or right near the sea, at the very edge of the sea. Do you know this word? Sea and food. Seafood. Seafood includes fish, prawns, shellfish, mussels, all kinds of food from the sea is seafood. All right, now what other words? What other words can we learn?
Now it's time to expand your vocabulary further. Let's study some more compound words with C on Quizlet. Click on the link in the description to study them online by yourself or on your mobile phone app, or learn them with me. There are many different ways to study words in Quizlet, with Learn, Flashcards, Write, Match or Test. Let's try them with flashcards. Seaward. What does seaward mean? Sea and ward. Seaward. Notice the pronunciation. It's in the direction of the sea. Just like skyward is in the direction of the sky, seaward is in the direction of the sea. Seaside. Sea and side. What does that mean? It's the beach, same as the beach. That is beside the sea is the seaside. It's usually a beach. Seaside. Seahorse. Is it a horse that lives in the sea? No, it's actually a special sea creature. Seahorse. Seagull. The seagull is a very common bird. It's a mostly white aquatic bird, aquatic meaning of the sea, with long pointed wings and short legs. Seagull. Seascape. That sounds a bit like landscape. It's a sea view, so instead of a land view, it's a sea view. Seascape. Seacoast. Sea and coast makes seacoast. It's land lying next to a sea or an ocean, so it's the coastline near the sea. Seacoast. Seafarer. Seafarer, what could that be? It's a person who serves as a sailor, a seafarer. Seashell. Sea and shell is the shell of a sea animal, such as an oyster or a clam. It's a shell that is from the sea. Seashell. Seaplane. Sea and plane make seaplane. Any aircraft designed to float on the water is a seaplane. Seaworthy. Sea and worthy makes seaworthy. Worthy. Do you know that word? So, a ship that is seaworthy is suitable for sailing. It is safe to sail in a seaworthy ship. It's seaworthy. Seawall. Sea and wall makes seawall. It's a wall to stop waves from reaching the area behind the wall. A seawall. So it's a wall beside the sea. A seawall. Seafloor. Sea and floor make seafloor. It's a portion of the Earth's crust that lies beneath the ocean waters. So it's at the bottom of the sea. It's the floor of the sea. Seafloor. Seasick. Sea and sick make seasick. If you are seasick, you are nauseous and dizzy from the rolling motion of a boat. Some people become seasick on boats. Seaborne. Sea and born. A seaborne raft is transported on the sea or ocean, especially by floating on the sea. So a boat is seaborne, a raft is seaborne. The vehicle is seaborne, so it's floating on the sea. Seaborne. Seaport. Sea and port make seaport. It's a harbour of the sea for ships and boats. So it's a port which is by the sea, or a harbour. Seaport. Seabird. Sea and bird make seabird. So a bird that lives near the sea is a seabird. Okay, now I'll test you. Guess the sea words from the definition. What is in the direction of the sea? What adjective describes in the direction of the sea? Seaward. What's another word for beach? Seaside. What is a sea creature? It's a seahorse. What is a mostly white aquatic bird with long pointed wings and short legs? It's a seagull. What's another word for a sea view? It's a seascape. What is land lying next to a sea or an ocean? It's a seacoast. What do you call a person who serves as a sailor? A seafarer. What is the shell of a sea animal such as an oyster or a clam? It's a seashell. What is any aircraft designed to float on the water? It's a seaplane. How do you describe a ship suitable for sailing? It's seaworthy. What is a wall to stop waves from reaching the area behind it? It's a seawall. What is a bird that lives near the sea? It's a seabird. What is at the bottom of the ocean? What's the portion of the Earth's crust that lies beneath the ocean waters? It's the sea floor. When you are nauseous and dizzy from the rolling motion of a boat, you are seasick. If you are transported on the sea or ocean, especially by floating on the sea, you are seaborne. Another word for harbour of the sea, for ships and boats, seaport. Great! I hope you did well. Please click on the link in the description to study these words further in your own time. And please like and subscribe and share. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.